Hey, Chef Brahmsy, we're back. And what happened to the other chef?
I put him into.
You put what? No, you didn't, right? Hey, how come there's so much water in there?
We're gonna see in a bit.
Why? Is that what is gonna happen? It looks like it's going away though.
Oh,
yeah,
he
the other chef is
escaped!
back. Oh.
He escaped! Even
Well,
big
there's no escape
on!
in this kitchen. It's the Chef Brahmsy's kitchen. Okay, Chef Brahmsy, can the audience and your spectators, your viewers, your subscribers get a quick recap? Also, animals that are watching and trying to learn how to cook a keema. All right. So what's the recap?
So first we put some onions and some garlic, and then we put some tomatoes. We stirred it.
Okay.
We put some ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
We did that, and then we put some water.
Okay. Anything else you want to add to that?
Yeah, then we added the peas, the cashews, the cumin seeds, and
Okay.
after a while it's gonna start to look like this, master.
Okay. Now I can see that some of the water has dissipated. And what's the final touch, guys? Anything to
We're gonna
garnish it
add
with?
some
We're gonna add some
green bell pepper
Okay.
bell pepper.
and garnish it with some coriander.
Okay. Wow, that looks like green chilies too. How many chilies are those?
1, 2,
Okay. All right.
Okay, too
1,
much.
2, 3 chilies.
There's one chili there.
Oh, just cut up. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's throw them in. Okay, and let me check back with you, see how you guys are doing just a little while. Okay, starting to smell good in the kitchen, guys. Mmm.